Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anuj and today in this video I will show you what is last index of method in JavaScript. In my last video I had shown you what is index of method. If you haven't watched that video, so go to playlist. There you will find that video and playlist link I have provided in description. So here I will go to the HTML file and I will explain how it works. So here you can see the last index of method syntax and it is similar to index of method. So here the syntax is string then method name. So for me I have added the string inside this variable. So here str, because for me this is the string, and the method name last index of. So I have added the same, and this method takes two parameters, substring and start index. So start index method is optional. So for the first example I haven't taken this start index because it's optional. So I have taken the substring. So what is substring? So from a string, when you take one word, so that is substring. So from this string I am taking this creative word. Okay, so this is substring. Okay, so here what it returns, this last index of method. So last index of method return the word position. Okay, last word position means here creative is 3 times. Okay, but which one is the last one means this one, right? This one is the last one. So it will return the position of last creative. So here if you count from here means 0 1 2 3 4, from here if you count up to that, so here which position it is, that it will return. So let's see the output. So it is written the 34. Okay, if I remove from here, so which one will be the last one? This one, right? So it will return this one. See 15. If you count from start to count from here, so up to that it is 15. So it is returning the 15. Now suppose if you search any word which is not here, so then what it will return? So see creatives. Okay, all are creative, not creatives. So if I search this one, so here see -1 means it is not in our string. Okay, so now here I will, this is one example. Now here I will show you the start index. Okay, so start index means it's a number. Index is the number, and what number it is? It's a position. So means here if I set the position, means here if I set 2, means it will check from within 2 character. Within 2 character is there any creative word or not? So 0 and 1 2 means if I start to count from here, see 0 1 2 means here. So from here up, here is this creative word. Okay, means it will return 0 because this creative word position is 0. So let's see 0. Now here if I write here 20 means from here if you count 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 means this creative word not within a 20 character, this creative word within a 20 character. So it will return this creative position. See 15. So this way it works. So if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section, because this is a little bit of complex, but I have tried to explain it very easy way. But still if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will try to explain. And if you find this videos helpful, so please like this video, also subscribe my channel to get more update in JavaScript.